Furnace keeps shutting off after starting? A safety switch may be tripping. Your furnace may overheat or have a blockage, and the issue can worsen with time. At Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning, we diagnose the root cause and restore safe heat. Common reasons a furnace shuts off quickly include overheating and a dirty filter. A furnace that shuts off too soon needs professional attention before a breakdown. Why choose Uptown? Same-day service and experienced technicians ready to help. Schedule your furnace diagnostic today. Serving Houston, Katy, Cypress, Spring, Tomball.